Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to set up the GC9A01 display driver for the STM32 microcontroller using the LL library with DMA. I will also demonstrate how to set up and display a menu on the screen which can be used in future projects. For this video I am using a library that includes all the basic functions necessary to work with the display, such as filling the screen, drawing basic geometric shapes, displaying characters, string and text, displaying images, and also displaying a menu. A link to the library will be available in the description. So in this project I am using the STM32F411CEU6 microcontroller and GC9A01 display connected via the SPI interface. So with the hardware part we are done, let's move to the project setup. So first we need to open CubeMX and select our MCU. In my case I use the STM32F411 CEU6, yeah. Select our MCU, start project. Then we need to set up our SPI. In my case I will use SPI 1. Select mode transmit only master. Then we need to add DMA, select SPI TX, and by default in this library use it stream 3, so I select stream 3, change priority. Then we need to set up DC, reset and the chief select pins. By default these are the PA2 it's DC, PA3 is reset, and PB10 is chief select. You can use different pins, but save the name of like this. So DC, RES and CS. So after setting up is completed, we need to increase our clock frequency. Then we go to the project manager, advanced settings, and select LL library. Then we go back to our project. I also will increase heap and stack size. And then select MDK arm. Also we need to add project name. And generate code. Then open project folder. After we open the project folder, we need to download library from GitHub. The link will be in the description. And then download the library. Download zip. Open it. Then we open our project folder. Go to the core, include. In include folder we copy GC9A01.h and fonts.h. And just copy. Yeah. And then we go back and to the src folder we copy the rest of files with .c. And And now we can open our project. Then for this we are going to the MDK ARM and open it. Now we need to add these files to the project. Select our project folder, core, include fonts and GC9A01, add, and go to the SRC and add our library files at close. Go to the main.c and try to compile and check is everything okay. Okay. Not everything okay, but we will fix it. Go to the main.h and then we need to include some libraries. I recommend to copy code from the GitHub article. Yeah. Copy. Then we go to the main.c and create variable. Yeah, так. Then we go to the STM32F411CEU6 interrupt.c and here we're creating external private variable and then we are add this code to our DMA handler. In my case it will look like this, so DMA2 stream 3, but in your case it can be different. Then we need to go back to the main.c and copy these lines and these lines. After these manipulations, everything should be okay. If something doesn't work, then go to the GC9A01.h and check this if the pins there are set it up correctly, or maybe you use different SPI or DMA or DMA3, whatever. And if you change DMA stream, change these numbers. For example, if I change it to 2, then type here 2, 2, 2, and 2 like this. But I don't need it, so we go back and everything works. To test our project, we can copy this code and paste it here. Let's try to compile our project and see what happened. So we are just compiled our code and let's upload it. Reset. And it shows hello world and blue circle on the white background, so the code works correct. Now let me show you how to create the menu. And show it on the display. For this, first we need to create structure menu members. I use name members and number in square semicolons. It's amount of menu members you want to use. I already created this variable. So menu member structure has 3 parameters. Name, the name will be showed on the screen. Number, it's a number. It's its number, and state, it can be active or inactive. It used to show which menu member is active. Now let's show it on practice. For this, let's fill our structures members with some text and numbers. For this, I will copy this cycle to make it faster. And also we need to comment our old code and show menu members. Page num, it's a number that will be shown on the top of the screen. In my case it's 1, but it doesn't matter. F1. And now let's upload our code and see what will be shown on the screen. As you can see, all menu members are inactive and have the same name because in the cycle we used a file name. We used name file. Let's move back to the code and we'll try something to edit. So let's make our first menu member element as active and change the text that's shown on the menu. For this, bears 1 dot text turn light str copy then but better use 0. Turn on, I don't know, turn on heater. And maybe, I don't know, open the file and also change its numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's compile our code and see what will be shown on the screen. So I press upload. And as you can see on the screen, our text is shown and our first menu member is active, but we can't see the whole text because we don't have enough space to show all our text. For this, there is a function menu member animation. Let me show you how to set up it. So to turn on animation, we need to go to our main cycle and then we are type show. I'm not sure. Let me check. Menu active member running text animation. This is function we need. Here we type mem bears and head and we need to call here another function head active menu member members, and also we need to add some delay because without delay run animation will be very fast and it will be really hard to read something. For this, let me copy one function of easy delay. And I will paste it here. Then we go to the while and delay maybe 7 milliseconds. F7 and let's see how it will look like now. For this I upload our code, F8, and as you can see, now our text is running and we can read the whole line. And this animation now works for only one active menu members, because so if we will make our second menu member is active and our first menu member is inactive, then this animation will be turned on for the second one. Yeah. But sometimes there is situations that we don't use too much menu members, or we need to change size of our menu because we don't want menu to fill all our screen. For this we go to the GC9A01.h and for to these lines. X position is X start position for our menu. X end position, this is end position for our menu, and Y position, it's a space between top of the screen and our menu. So if we will, and also the step 6 is a space between our menu members and amount of menu members, it's a it's amount of our menu members, yeah. So if we will change this parameter to 6, no, to 5, our X position to, I don't know, 50, and position, I don't know, 150, and we can also change our text size, font 16. But first, now let me check, is everything correct? If everything correct, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, let's try compile our code and see what happened. Upload. This is problem because the connection is very bad. Now, as you can see, our menu became smaller. We have only 5 menu members, and now our menu can be used in another purpose, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm not good in English, so sorry. Let's move on. And now let me show you how this library can be used in the real project. For this, I open real project. The link will be available in the description also. So let's compile it, upload, and we'll see how this project works. So this project shows a list of files from the USB flash drive. Oh yeah. So we can press buttons and change our active menu member. If we are going too far, we can change the page. We can open project folders. And open something like this. This is my cat. Yeah. So this is how this library can be used.